In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively assign tasks in Airtable. Airtable is a powerful tool that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the functionality of a robust database, making it an ideal platform for organizing and assigning tasks across various projects. So, let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. To begin, you need to navigate to your Airtable homepage. This is where you'll find all your workspaces neatly organized. If you're new to Airtable, your homepage essentially serves as the central hub for all your projects. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and structure. Once you're comfortable, it's time to choose the specific workspace where you want to assign tasks to someone. Simply select the one that aligns with your current project needs or priorities. Next up, look for the subtle but essential plus sign within your chosen workspace. Clicking this will allow us to proceed with assigning tasks. Once you've done that, a new set of options will emerge for managing your workspace more effectively. Now, locate and click on User. This action will guide you through setting up a new field, which is crucial for assigning tasks to specific individuals. Let's move on to naming this new field. Be thoughtful and descriptive here, as it will help keep everything organized. For instance, you might choose a name like Assigned To, ensuring it clearly reflects its intended purpose. This field will act as the designated section for noting who is responsible for each task. After naming the field, there's an important toggle option to consider. You'll want to allow the addition of multiple users, providing flexibility to allocate tasks to more than one person if needed. Once you've enabled that, proceed by clicking Create Field to finalize this new addition. With the field created, it's time to add someone within your Airtable workspace by clicking on the plus sign adjacent to the new field. But what if the person you want to add isn't currently part of your Airtable setup? No problem. You can easily invite a new user from outside Airtable. Just click on Invite a New User and enter their email address. As you're inviting someone, consider what level of access they should have. Airtable offers several options. They can be a creator, editor, commenter, or simply have read-only permissions. Choose the level that best suits their role in the project to maintain a clear structure and security. Finally, once everything is set up to your satisfaction, go ahead and send the invite. By clicking Send Invite and Add to Record, the new user will receive their invite and get added to the assigned record, and your task assignment process within Airtable is complete. Congratulations! You've just successfully assigned tasks in Airtable, streamlining your project management efforts. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most of Airtable and enhancing team collaboration.